In this video, we are going to see how to solve fail to parse source from import analysis because the contains invalid JS syntax. And for solving this issue, you have to install this plugin. So you will get this plugin here. In this package description you will get everything which need to solve this issue. So first you have to install this plugin. So let's install this plugin. So I have installed this plugin, and let's copy this line in vite.config.js. So I have copied this line. Here we have imported view from vue.js plugin-vue, and let's copy this and paste it here. Now you can see this page has been reloaded and working fine. So by importing this package and adding this syntax here, we can able to solve this issue. You can see this link in the description. Thank you for watching this video.